Hi everyone, it's been a dream of mine over the last 20 years to use some of DECO's products on my own family home. Now I'm in a pretty unique position because DECO is actually my family's business. My father started the business over 20 years ago, specialising in unique timber look finishes on aluminium building products. I'm here today at our Innovation Centre to get the help from the DECO team to make my product and finish colour choices. So let's go inside and get selecting. We're at the start of planning our renovation and we know that we want a clean, contemporary Australian look. So for the windows and doors and the battens, we've decided to go with the ironbark colour. It'll give us that rich timber finish that we're after without the maintenance that real timber needs. We know we want light colours at the front of the house to complement the rich ironbark tones for the windows and doors. My gosh, there's a lot of white. We're going to go with the Dulux Pro Texture natural white finish for the cladding at the front of the house. And as you can see, it looks lovely with the DECO wood ironbark. The rear of the house, we wanted to have a more modern industrial look. And DECO's new range of designer finishes lends itself perfectly. We really like the darker charcoal concrete finish, and we think when we play that with the rest of the colours, that they tie in quite nicely. Now for the deck selection. We've decided that we're going to go with the silky oak slip-resistant finish for the deck. This is because we wanted to have some contrast with the ironbark that will be around the home. And we also think that the lighter, warmer tone here complements nicely with the charcoal finish. This is the 50mm batten series and features the two-piece quick click profile. We're going to go with the 50x50 batten. We need to look about going with a narrower profile so that it's slimmer to fit on the garage door. And by choosing the 50mm batten series, we can maintain consistency of the width throughout the home. There are a range of DECO clad profiles available that showcase different shapes: straight, V-groove, narrow line, and weatherboard. Personally, we love the traditional country aesthetic of the weatherboard product. Easy to slot together, giving that shape, and we'll be choosing that in the white finish. Now I can't be too biased, but DECO Splash is one of my favourite products and I'm very excited to use it in the home. I've got my eye on a couple of the catalogue designs, but for my kitchen, I'm considering going with a custom design. Lucky I've got lots of places around the home to use it, including my kitchen, pantry, laundry, and bathrooms. So thanks for joining me at the DECO Innovation Centre. I'm excited to see how this will all come together. Tune in to the next episode to join me on the DECO House build journey.